In this video, we're exploring Bluff Island. We start at the pier, take a short boat ride, hike to the cliffs, snorkel, and finish on the beach. You can get to Bluff Island by hiring a sampan or a speedboat from the Sai Kung Pier. There's no public ferry. Bluff Island sits off the coast of Hong Kong in the UNESCO-listed Sai Kung Geopark. It's known for steep sea cliffs, sea caves, and striking hexagonal volcanic columns. The waters are clear with coral and plenty of reef fish.
We thought it was a good idea to go hiking. It's hot. It's one of the main things to do here.
Oh my god, it's too hot.
It's all bushwhacker. With the most famous spot here in Bluff Island. This is where everybody wants to take the pictures.
These rocks formed from ancient volcanic activity around 140 million years ago. My hiking friends from the Philippines treated me to a homemade lunch.
What are we looking at? This is the national Filipino fish, right?
Yeah, bango. And then this is the national longanisa.
Longanisa, pork sausage, and these are tomatoes. We have those in
Slide. Let's check our can.
Oh, what's that? Is that pork?
So, yeah. What is that? Pata.
The sausage is really, really good. Barbecue char siu. We had our lunch, and apparently Bluff Island is really good for snorkeling. So I brought my gear. Let's find out how good it is. So there's coral, but the visibility is not that great today. So we spent the full day on Bluff Island. I was really terrified for the sun, but at the end of the day it was pretty much okay. Spending some time at the beach, cooling down, climbing rocks, it was really great. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next.